Hello. Today I'd like to show you how to use our new Red Paddle Co. Titan pump. It's a double chamber pump with a high flow handle, and it drastically reduces the time and effort needed to inflate your board. Here's how to use it. First of all, take the pump hose and connect it via the screw thread to the handle. Then, making sure the valve on the board is in the closed position, connect the nozzle, push down and twist. The next thing to check is that the plug on the back of the pump handle is in the hole and turn tight. Place the pump on some flat ground and put your feet on the foot plates. To start with, the pump is putting a lot of volume into the board, and you can use pumping technique number 1, which is keeping the legs straight and bending the arms and waist to get the air in, like this. After a while, you'll find that becomes quite difficult, so then you can use pump technique number 2, which is bending the legs but keeping the arms straight. When that gets too difficult, this is where the Titan pump really comes into its own. Unplug the plug on the back of the handle and place it on the peg. Now when you pump, you're exhausting the air from the big chamber through the hole in the back, so you will hear a lot of air rushing out of the handle. This is totally normal and all part of the function of the pump, because now you're just using the small chamber to inflate. There's a switch inside the pump handle which controls the airflow. Now you'll find it's much easier, and you can go back to using pump technique number 1, keeping the legs straight, bending the waist and the arms. After a while, this will become a little bit more difficult, so go to pump technique number 2, which is keeping the arms straight and bending the knees. Depending on the board that you're pumping up, it will take between 2 minutes and 4.5 minutes to inflate your board. In this second setting, you should be able to find you can completely pump your board up to 20 PSI with very little effort and a lot less time than standard pumps. Thank you very much, and happy paddling.